Hi little foxes! We're going to read a new story today and it's called Hey, Get Off Our Train, and it's written by John Burningham. I've got my special friend Felix Fox here with me. Have you got yours? Then let's begin. You aren't still playing with that train, are you? Get to bed immediately. You know you have to be up early for school tomorrow. Here's your pyjama case, dog. I found it under a cushion in the sitting room. Now settle down and go to sleep. Are we ready to go now? Don't make too much noise with the shovel. If there's time, we can have a picnic. It looks as if it's going to be foggy ahead. If it is, we can play ghosts. Ooh. Hey, get off our train.
Please let me come with you on your train. Someone's coming to cut off my tusks, and soon there will be none of us left.
It's going to be a very hot day. If it is, we must find somewhere to go for a swim.
Hey, get off our train.
Please let me come with you on your train. If I stay in the sea, I won't have enough to eat, because people are making the water very dirty, and they're catching too many fish, and soon there will be none of us left. I think there is going to be a strong wind. If it is, we can all fly kites.
Hey, get off our train. Please let me come with you on your train. I live in the marshes, and they're all draining the water out of them. I can't live on dry land, and soon there'll be none of us left.
It looks as if it's going to rain soon. If it does, we can all muck about with umbrellas.
Hey, get off our train. Please let me come with you on your train. They're cutting down the forest where I live, and soon there will be none of us left.
I think there's enough snow now. If there is, we can all throw snowballs. Hey, get off our train! Please let me ride with you on your train. I live in the frozen north, and somebody wants my fur to make a coat out of, and soon there'll be none of us left. If it does not stop snowing soon, we're going to get stuck. We must go back now. I have to go to school in the morning. You must get up immediately, or you'll be late for school. There are lots of animals in the house. There's an elephant in the hall, a seal in the bathtub, a crane in the laundry, a tiger on the stairs, and a polar bear by the fridge. Does this have anything to do with you? The end. Well, thank you so much for joining me for my story today. Bye. See you soon.